So Axi-Cel is an autologous CAR T-cell therapy product that has CD3 zeta and CD28 signaling domains, which when activated will eliminate any CD19 expressing cells. So we evaluated Axi-Cel in patients with refractory aggressive non-Hodgkin lymphoma that have a significant unmet clinical need. With existing therapies in these patients, the overall response rate is 26% and the complete response rate is only 8%, and the median survival is only about 6.5 months. So on the ZUMA-1 trial, we evaluated this is a multi-center trial with Axi-Cel in patients with refractory aggressive non-Hodgkin lymphoma. What we presented today is the phase 2, the primary results from the phase 2 portion of the study. There are two cohorts in this phase 2 portions. Cohort 1 included patients with diffuse large B-cell lymphoma, and cohort 2 included patients with primary mediastinal B-cell lymphoma and transformed follicular lymphoma. To be eligible for this trial, these patients had to have chemotherapy refractory disease that was defined as not having any response to the last line of chemotherapy or relapsing within 12 months after autologous stem cell transplantation. And they should have had adequate prior therapy with anti-CD20 monoclonal antibody or anthracycline therapy. And the primary endpoint for the trial was overall response rate in the first 92 patients that were dosed with Axi-Cel. The study met its primary endpoint for overall response rate with a p-value of less than 0.0001. We observed that of 101 patients that were enrolled and treated, the overall response rate was 82% and the complete response rate was 54%. And these responses were quite durable. At a median follow-up of 8.7 months, 44% of the patients had ongoing response. And the median overall survival has not been reached at this point. At 6 months, we found that 80% of these patients that were treated on this trial were alive, as compared to only 55% of the patients that are alive with existing therapies on the SCHOLAR-1 study.